Hi guys, just a short video for us to revisit these parallel lines. Now last time we looked at alternate angles which came on the alternate side of this diagonal line, and they made that classic Z shape. So those angles were the same as each other. So this acute angle is the same as that acute angle. So we could safely say that that is 70 degrees there. Now, when I look up to the top here, I can see that if I just cover that over with my ruler, I've got this lovely straight line here and my 70 degrees here. Now, one thing we learnt about angles on a straight line is that they were supplementary, which means they add up to 180 degrees. So this angle here, in connection with this angle, must add up to 180 degrees. Well, 180 take away 70 is 110 degrees. So this one must be 110 degrees too. So by looking at from that respect. Now, when I look at the two angles I've just worked out, this one from the alternate angle and this one for angles on a straight line, I can see that they also share that same relationship. They add up to 180 degrees because of the way that we found them. So what I want to do is I want to just look at them separately. So if I just consider them only as an angle, create this classic C shape. So breaking away, we've got it looking like that. It only works when they're parallel. But these two angles in here, they are called co-interior angles. And they add up to 180 degrees. And in a previous video we said that a word for that is supplementary. That's not important, but it's important for me to keep telling you that, so that if you ever see that word again, you will have heard it lots of times and will know what it means. So co-interior add up to 180 degrees, and they are sometimes called allied angles. And the thing I'm looking out for is the classic C shape. So we often think of them as being a C angle where those two lines are parallel. Remember, this is all about parallel lines. So the C angles, you can see I've got an acute and obtuse. They're definitely not the same, and that should be really clear to you just by looking that these two angles in here are definitely not the same, because one's acute and one's obtuse, but they do add up to 180 degrees. And the word that means add up to 180 degrees is supplementary. So we're looking for co-interior angles, C for co-interior, and they're also known as allied angles too. Okay?